Hi everyone. So I would be teaching how we can draw faces in proportion. I won't be able to see the comments right now because the camera is, on the back camera is on for me. So there are a lot of people who are having, really hard time in drawing figures. They don't know where to start with, the eyes, or where to start with the nose, or how to basically draw the face in real proportion. So let's get started doing that. So I have, pencil HB pencil here just for the tutorial purpose. I have watercolor paper cold press, which is 90 lbs. So there are a lot of other papers also coming in market, so it's on you, whichever you want to choose. So as we know that the faces are oval shaped, they narrow on the head side and they broaden up when you go down. We'll just draw one oval, just basic oval shape, You can just erase the extra one. Like this. I think it's a little bit off. You must be hearing a lot of other noises here. Sorry about that. Okay, so once you do this oval shape, you can divide it in 4 parts, and we need to get the center line basically. So this center line, this center point, is basically where you start drawing your eyes. So I'll just draw an eye here and here. So you must be wondering what should be the distance between two eyes. So it's always an eye apart, There's a third eye. The eye apart is the another eye. Now after eyes, we should be doing the eyeballs. So how should we decide where the eyeballs should be? Because sometimes what happens, if someone is making eyes, one eye is looking one side and other eye is looking other side. So for that, whatever is the shape of eye, we need to divide it in 1/3. 1/3. Okay, so the eyeball would be in between the 1/3 of the eye. Same as here, 1/3. and here goes the eyeball. Now the eyebrows. So one eye ahead is the eyebrow, and it goes beyond the half eye, and the other side, just one eye above, it starts from the starting of the eye, and it goes beyond, ahead, half eye ahead. Hi Tejal, hi Abhishek. Okay, so we are done with the eyebrows, the eyes. Now we need to decide how to draw the nose. Where would you start the nose? So as you already know, the two eyes are one eye apart. So in this middle area, this distance you can divide in 1/3 again. This is the place where you would be starting, the lining of the nose near the eye will start. And the point where your eyebrows ends, you just swing it around here. And this is the point where your nose ends, is the tip of your nose. Hi Gayatri. Okay, so this nose start from here, and now we need to decide what is the width of the nose. What should be the width of the nose? It would be the starting point of your eye here, it goes down here, and this starting point of eye here. This would be your width of the nose. So this is actually a model, it's not always true, but you can compare your drawing with the model, whether you have increased the size of, the element of your face, or you have reduced it. So you can decide based on that. So this is the width of the nose. So you'll just draw the nose here. Here comes after the lips. Okay, so you have that much broad space where you would be, making lips. It's really hard to decide. So first I'll just remove this here. So the tip of the nose and tip of your chin, where your chin is, this distance you need to get half point here. So this half point is basically the end of your lip. The lip won't start here, but it'll end here. And 1/3 of this distance, is here, and 1/3 here. So the 1/3 of this distance will be the middle of your lips. And now what should be the width of your lip? It would be the starting point of your eyeball and this starting point of your eyeball. This is the width of your lip. So just above this you will make lip design. It will be like this, and this is the end. Now the chin. What should be the width of your chin? This chin goes, the width of your nose, you just drag it down, and here comes the width of your chin. And of course the sides, we need to make sure that the sides near to your eyes should be the widen enough in compared to the head, and your face goes, when it goes down, it should be narrow again. So this shape always changes based on the different human faces. So I'm not making the sides, just basically the eyes, nose and lips proportion we need to take care, and the outlines and the outline of the face you can easily figure out how to make it. So in this case I'm just making it like this. So I hope you like this video. You just need to give me a second. I just need to take my phone off the stick. Yeah, hi. So now I'm able to see. So I hope you like the video and it will help you guys. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments, and also give me the suggestions for my next videos, so that I would be able to figure out what should I come with. Thank you. Thanks a lot.